Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to fix this system restore error in Windows 11 and 10 both, so you can troubleshoot it. So I'm giving you step by step method. So first ensure the value set on the copy service, we have to restart. So click to start and type run. Then guys type services.msc and then okay. Then press V for victory. Value showdown copy. Okay, so double click, select the automatic, then click to start and then apply and then okay and then close it. So guys, this is first method. Second method, verify system protection setting. So again click to Windows icon and type system protection. Set 2%. Okay, then oh yes. So guys, if here showing your drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, so select C drive and then click to configure and then set 2%. Okay, and turn, select the turn on system protections. Okay, then apply and then okay, then okay. Next guys, use clean boot. Okay, click to start and type msconfig. Then click to boot services, hidden all Microsoft. Okay, and disable all, then apply and then okay and then restart without restart. First you have to follow all the method and then guys restart it. Okay, thank you. Then next method. So guys, next step, run system file checker and dims. So click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator and click to yes. Then this command I will give in description, so you can directly copy paste one by one. Copy and hit enter. That is command in corrupt system file can cause random reboot. SFC can detect and repair those file and DAMS can fix the Windows image issues. Okay. It will complete 100%. Then type second command, this one, and then this one, and one by one by one. Then first one is completed, then copy second command, and you can type manually if it is not copy paste. Then type to hit enter. Then third one, then fourth last.